my god, like my hair.
Frizz fest.
And that's what happens when you let it dry naturally. So it's very grey today in Mallorca, which is not a happy thought. We're quite sad about this.
Don't know really what we're going to do all day, to be honest. Not got much plans.
We were going to have a chilled out pool day, but if it's like this, you can't really lie out in it.
Elena wants to go a walk, so we're just going to go for like a 2-3 hour walk.
And try, yeah. I mean, to be fair, at least that way you're still going to get the sun if it comes out, so you're not just like sitting in the house.
There ain't no sun coming today, hon. None.
But we'll see what happens weather-wise. We're going to go on a night out tonight though.
Crazy.
Well, wild rebellious scenes going on one night
Let's
out,
just
the full
build
holiday.
up our energy before that. Maybe that's what it's telling us.
I know, like, have a chill day, then get ready for like a soiree. Hopefully it'll be busier than last year's, because last year was like 3 other people in the club. But we'll see.
We'll see. Oh my god, there's a dog coming.
Here. Oh, so yes, we're just going on a supermarché run. Yeah, I'm going to go try get a new phone case actually.
My legs.
Oh shit, that's what they call it. I'm still a pale bean. I'm not as pale. For me, I'm tanned. Compared to Claire, I am a ghost.
Hold your arm up.
I mean, it doesn't really show off that well
I
on
know,
camera
it
if we look the same colour, so I'm winning. But yeah, we're going to go get some breakfast as well because I'm bloody starving. There's no food in the house. So yes, that's today's plan. We don't really know what we're going to do, so we're in a bit of a conundrum.
We'll play some games.
Play some cards. Play some, what was the other one? Yes, no. I don't even know what that
I
is.
don't even know what that is. We'll work it out.
We've got plenty of time.
So work it out.
Might even tidy up the house a bit.
Yeah, have a wee cleaning spree.
Have a, what was it called? A spring clean?
The toilet seat broke.
Oh, I need to tell Man about that actually.
Yeah.
The place
So you can't
is.
sit down on it, and then the other one's got cockroaches in it, so none of us actually go in the other one. So we're at a bit of a dilemma.
Yeah, it's either a broken bathroom
Or cockroaches.
or cockroach. I think I'd rather have a broken toilet seat.
I'll clear them out today because I left one under a glass last
Michael.
No, that was a new one.
Oh, right.
Last
Sorry for not knowing their names. Oh, there's another. For fuck's sake.
There's 4 now. There'll probably be more now.
No, well, if they're all dead, then. Oh. Yeah, apparently, fun fact for you before we depart cockroaches, they die as soon as they get into your house because they don't have anything to like grab onto when they're like walking. So because like the surface is so flat, they just like flip over, and then like their muscles all just like die, and then they can't like flip themselves back over. It's quite sad. So yeah.
La 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 la, Elmo's world.
OOTD. Lovely. Look at this. I like this. Top. Does the Primark number?
Yeah, like, I don't like this.
She's got a little Primark top on. Where are your shorts from?
I don't mind doing it while I'm walking.
Where are your shorts from?
I think Primark also. I'm just a Primark gal.
And then these are her new slides. Check these bad
Like
boys.
€8.95.
I think they remind me of Licorice all sorts.
Sorry, she
You
can't
like vest crochet number? It's got a kind of logo point in it. PLT white shorts and my Ivy Park sliders, which have never done me wrong. Happy days.
We were just walking across the road and okay, I'll vlog them for you and update them. Olivia's auntie told her about this kind of like vegan healthy place, so we just what? I don't know what she just said. So we just came across to see what was in it, and you can get like acai bowls and all that. So she's now sitting down for breakfast. I'm with her. Iona's still in bed. Sorry, Iona. I mean, if we knew we were coming for breakfast, would have brought you along. Although I'm not getting anything, so it's just Olivia being healthy and vegan. So I'll show you it when it comes. She's also getting a coffee.
I am so excited.
Or maybe we should get a coffee and take it back to Iona. Or find like coffee in the supermarket.
I think we should find a coffee in the supermarket because by the time it takes, it's like a hot coffee.
So yeah, we'll see you when it comes.
I am honestly.
She's very excited. I can't move it.
I'm like in my element right now. This is my kind of place.
There's like tofu fajita wraps,
which I'm going to try to get for my lunch
when we come down. So how exciting!
And we've got a. Oh my god, what's it called again?
I don't know.
I can't even remember what it's called now. Thai? asked for an acai, but they said they didn't have any. I'll figure it out. Anyways, it's got like kiwi, oats, almonds. I think it says quinoa, I'm not too sure, and it's blended with like banana and almond milk, and I got an almond latte macchiato, which I'm very excited about, so I'm going to dive right in. How empty it is because it's just so grey. Here's Claire. Because it's so grey outside, we thought we'll just obviously tidy up this absolute bomb site. So Claire's just making a starter case. You having fun over there? Where's the music? We'll get some music on and we'll get this place tidied because it's so grey.
Drinking it like 11:15.
Right, we won't be doing that, but okay. So we're just going to tidy up because it's so grey and cold outside. So Iona's not up here, we're just going to let her kind of sleep, and she was quite tired last night. Been to the supermarket, got breakfast, that was stunning, that Pattaya bowl, I remember what it was called. It was really good. And then there's another like vegan place across the road. I'm like, how am I just finding out about these? Because I've been living off pineapple and banana for breakfast and it's not been that enjoyable. Got that. I got a new phone case. Just because I was getting bored of my other one. Went to the supermarket, got what we needed to get. So we're just gonna have like kind of chilled out morning. I need to tidy this place up. It's so grey and cold outside, but literally cannot sit outside. And there's no point, there's actually no one at the pool anyway. And then we're gonna go a walk this afternoon. Once Iona's up. Probably have lunch first, yeah, and then go a walk. Claire. We're gonna have lunch first, then go a walk, do you think? I think that's the plan. And then we found mini golf. We might do that if we want to. And then we're going out tonight. We're going to a club because we are rebellious teens. I've literally been out no times this holiday. We've literally got like 2 more nights left. So we're going to go out tonight, I think, as long as the weather permits it. And yeah, that's the plan. So that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to tonight. Today I wish it would just get sunny. But you can't have everything, can you? Like a full-on thunderstorm going on. It's actually bouncing off the ground. I'm scared. Oh my god. I feel like pure shit, just want the sun back.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Nice. This is actually quite scary. It's like a repeat of last year. I'm actually like so shook. When it rains in Santa Ponza, it pours. Right, so we're running out to the supermarket. And I'm shit scared.
It's still a wee bit drippy.
It's very grey. I'm scared that the lightning comes back out and we die underneath a tree.
Right, well we'll just not go under trees, we'll hide under cars.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, you're supposed to like stay
Look
in
at
a
the
car.
pool table, it's actually like a
Holy
swimming pool.
You could go wee swim in that.
Like, I thought there was someone lying by the pool for a minute. I was like, surely not.
Right, yeah,
Surely the
horrible.
fuck not. Oh my god, it's raining. Right, the phone's going away because it's still raining. I don't want to die.
It'll cool off my sunburn.
This
See,
is
I am
true.
not very even.
It's only my shoulders that have caught it, but even they're
But
calming
that
down
must
now.
show that it was all yesterday because it's
Yeah,
got the lines
they're
from
like,
my swimsuit.
right, okay, it's still raining, so bye. Don't want my phone to get wet. Hello vlog. So it's now 5 o'clock and we're currently chancing trying to get the sun.
Although I'd say there's still shadows, so
I mean, it's not raining and it's not as grey anymore.
it's meant to be sunny at 6. Swear in my life, sunny at 6.
Right, we'll stay till 6 and we'll give it a chance.
Well, that's like 40 minutes away.
It's not that cold, but it's also not that warm.
It's just raining at 7, that's fine, we're going at 7.
We're going for 7.
No, it's supposed to be cloudy at 6.
I've got full sun.
I've got rain.
I don't trust the weather app. We'll see what happens when it happens. But
There was to be no sun today and there was a little thing, so...
we're just going to wait and see. Hopefully the sun will come out. We've got a little drink.
6 o'clock's the same as just now, just with more rain.
It is looking very grey, I must admit. But we'll see. And then we're going to go out for some dinner, and then we're going out tonight to the club.
Like thunder. Don't love that.
And we're doing like a bar crawl and then going to the club. So we'll take it along, obviously, because drunk vlogs are fun. So we're ready, we're going on an actual night out. Wow, who are we? We've also got Bake Off on in the background, so that shows our two...
The chase was still on, we could have still continued.
No, Bake Off. So we're going to leave about 9:30, then we're going to go for some dinner, little Italian. And then we're going to go bar crawling and then go on a night out. So yeah, we're in a black bodysuit and a little new look wrap skirt number with print. And I've gone for heeled sandals. Might regret this by the end of the night. We're going with it just now. Right, what a great start to the vlog clip, guys. I'm joking.
It's the beatboxers do it. God's sake, I need Van Halen.
We're finally leaving the flat. We ended up playing Yes or No, which was...
Yeah, that was a hard game.
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Quite mind numbing. Yeah, because you did advanced higher English and I'm dyslexic. I left in 5th year.
I'm the most intelligent of the bunch, obviously. That wasn't even intelligent.
I'm gonna watch that and be so offended. She'll be like, you said what?
You
did a bit of 6 year, like 2 weeks. Not much. I think
barely.
You did more than 2 weeks.
So yeah, we're going out for dinner now. It's now 10 o'clock. We've just got some photos taken. And yeah, we're going to get some Italian, I think. Dinner come. I've got a chili and olive oil pasta. And again, I'm supposed to have a margarita. You looking forward to it? I feel like I always do this angle.
Look at that.
Can you hear this rain? We've just finished dinner. We're meant to be leaving to go to another bar. And I mean, car alarms are getting set off because of the weather. Because the rain is that heavy. So we're not going to move for the foreseeable future. It's like a 0% chance of rain at 11. So we're boosting then. So this is fun. Made it to our first stop. I've got a strawberry daiquiri. Those two have jugs of Sexy Beach, and I've just been given a peach snapshot. So this is going to end well because we've got bad memories, but we'll go for it. Right. That's apple sours. That's fine, that's apple sours. Panic over, we're fine. Strawberry daiquiri, my favourite this holiday, and the girls have a Sexy Beach drink. How is it? Fabulous. Lovely. And when she knows what she wants from her day, and when she wakes up and makes up her mind, she'll see I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an up-down girl.
I'm walking a shop.
Yeah. Get them on. Get them on. No, get them speedy on.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. So it was a successful night out, not gonna lie.
I would keep getting water in my shoes though, which is not a fun thing. But we're just gonna have a chilled out day tomorrow, and that'll be that. And then it's like our last full day, which is quite sad. But what can you do?